Not because he was bad at his job, because an AI diagnosed 47 cars in one morning. He only got through 6. And here is the part that should scare you. That same AI is now available to you, for free, right now, on your phone. Welcome back to Smart AI Mechanic. I am glad you are here today because this video could literally save you thousands of dollars. In the next 15 minutes or so, I am going to show you exactly how AI is changing the car repair world, and more importantly, how you can use it to stop getting ripped off. We are going to cover 7 big things AI can help you with right now. Each one comes with a real story and real money saved. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. Because the bonus tip at the end? It alone could save you over $800 this year. Point number 1. The check engine light that mechanics love. Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen that little orange check engine light come on and felt your stomach drop? You drive to the mechanic, they plug in their scanner. They look at the screen for about 30 seconds. Then they look at you and say, "It will be $900. Here is what most people do not know. That same scanner the mechanic used? You can get one for $25 on Amazon. It is called an OBD2 scanner. You plug it into a small port under your dashboard. Then you open an AI tool and type in the code it gives you. The AI tells you exactly what is wrong, how serious it is, and whether you actually need to fix it today or if it can wait. Here is a real story. My friend Marcus got a check engine light last spring. He went to a shop and they quoted him $1,100 for a catalytic converter replacement. He bought an OBD2 scanner for $22 instead. He typed the code into an AI. The AI told him the real issue was a small oxygen sensor wire that had come loose. He reconnected the wire himself in 10 minutes. Total cost, $22 for the scanner. One's money saved, over $1,000. That is the power of AI in your pocket. Point number 2. Strange noises your car is making. Your car is actually talking to you. It is telling you exactly what is wrong. The problem is most of us do not speak car. Is there a grinding sound when you brake? A clicking noise when you turn left? A whining sound when you accelerate? Each of those sounds means something very specific. Here is what you do. Open any AI assistant on your phone. Describe the sound exactly. And tell it when it happens, how long it lasts, and if it gets worse in certain situations. The AI will give you a list of the most likely causes, ranked from most common to least common. Here is a real story. My neighbor Linda had a clunking sound every time she went over a speed bump. She described it to an AI tool. The AI said it sounded like worn sway bar links. It also told her this was not dangerous to drive on short term, but should be fixed within a month. She went to a shop with that exact information. The mechanic confirmed it immediately, but because she already knew what it was, she did not get sold on any extra repairs. She paid $180 instead of the $490 quote she got from the first shop. Knowing the answer before you walk in the door changes everything. Point number 3. Understanding your maintenance schedule. Most people have no idea when to change their oil, or when to replace their tires, or when their transmission fluid needs to be flushed, and mechanics know this. Have you ever gone in for an oil change and somehow walked out paying $400? That happens because the shop tells you everything needs to be done right now, and you have no way to check if they are telling the truth. AI fixes this completely. Just tell the AI your car's make, model, year, and current mileage. Ask it to give you a full maintenance schedule. It will tell you exactly what needs to be done and exactly when. No guessing, no getting pushed into things you do not need. Here's a real story. My wife went in for an oil change on her Honda CR-V last year. The service advisor told her she needed a brake fluid flush, a coolant flush, and new cabin air filters. He said the total would be $520. She excused herself, stepped outside, and asked an AI about her exact car and mileage. The AI told her that none of those 3 services were due for at least another 15,000 miles. She went back in, paid for just the oil change, and left. She saved $430 in less than 5 minutes. That one moment paid for years of knowing how to use AI for her car. Point number 4. Getting a fair repair. Let me tell you the dirty secret of the repair industry. Labor rates vary wildly. One shop might charge $95 per hour. Another charges $175 for the exact same job. And most people never know the difference. Here is how AI levels the playing field. Now you give you a realistic price range. Now you walk into that shop knowing exactly what a fair price looks like. Here is a real story. My coworker David needed a new alternator on his Ford F-150. The first shop quoted him $980. He used an AI tool to look up the average cost in his city. So now the AI said the job should cost between $450 and $620, depending on the shop. David called 2 more shops with that information ready. He got the job done for $510. He saved nearly $500 just by spending 3 minutes with an AI before making one phone call. Information is money when it comes to car repairs. Point number 5. Knowing when a repair is actually urgent. Not every car problem needs to be fixed today, but some absolutely do. And if you do not know which is which, you could either waste money or put yourself in danger. AI is very good at helping you triage car problems. You describe what is happening. The AI tells you if it is safe to drive, how long you can wait, or if you need to pull over right now. For example, a minor oil leak might be fine to monitor for a week before you book a repair. But smoke coming from your brakes? That means stop driving immediately. AI knows the difference, and it will tell you straight. Here's a real story. A subscriber named Priya messaged us a few months ago. She noticed her steering wheel was vibrating at highway speeds. She was about to drive 300 miles on the highway for a family trip. She asked an AI about it first. The AI told her that vibration at highway speeds could point to a tire balance issue, but could also mean a failing wheel bearing. It told her to have it checked before any long highway drive. She took it to a tire shop. In one wheel had a severe balance problem, and a lug nut was loose. The technician told her that at highway speeds that wheel could have come off. She did not save money that day. She saved her family. That is what AI can do for you. Point number 6. Buying a used car without getting burned. Used cars can be amazing deals, or they can be financial nightmares hiding under a fresh coat of wax. Here's a simple AI-powered process for buying a used car. First, take the VIN number from the car listing. I'd ask the AI to look up common problems for that make, model, and year. It will tell you what to look for, what to ask the seller, and what problems that model is known for. Then, when you go see the car, bring your OBD2 scanner. Plug it in before you hand over a single dollar. If the scanner shows a bunch of error codes, walk away. If it is clean, you have a good sign. Here is a real story. My brother-in-law was looking at a 2017 Chevrolet Malibu listed for $9,500. He asked an AI about that model, and year before he even test drove it. The AI warned him that the 2017 Malibu has a known issue with the infotainment system and some transmission hesitation problems around that mileage range. He brought this up with the seller. The seller admitted the transmission had been acting up. My brother-in-law walked away from that deal. 2 weeks later, he found a different car with no hidden issues. He avoided what could have been a $3,000 transmission repair. An AI did that for him before he even left his couch. Point number 7. AI-powered DIY repairs. This one might surprise you. You do not need to be a mechanic to fix your own car. Not anymore. There is a whole category of car repairs that are actually easy. Changing your cabin air filter. Replacing wiper blades. Swapping out a battery. Changing brake pads. Shops charge $80 to $200 for jobs that take 15 minutes and cost $20 in parts. With AI, you just describe what needs to be done and ask for a step-by-step guide for your specific car. The AI walks you through every single step. It even tells you which tools you need. And if you get confused at any point, you can ask follow-up questions, and it will explain in plain English. Here is a real story. My sister had never opened the hood of her car in her life. Her 2019 Toyota Camry needed a new battery. A dealership quoted her $280 to replace it. She asked an AI to walk her through doing it herself. The AI gave her a clear, step-by-step guide specific to her Camry. She bought a new battery for $95 from an auto parts store. She replaced it herself in under 20 minutes. She sent me a photo of herself holding that dead battery with a massive grin on her face. She saved $185 and gained a confidence in herself she never had before. That is what happens when AI becomes your personal mechanic. Bonus tip: build your car's health journal. Okay, here is the bonus tip I promised you. And this one works even better over time. Start a car health journal using AI. Every time you get a repair done, every time you notice something odd, every time you check a code, log it. Just keep a simple note on your phone. Date, mileage, what happened, what was done. Then when you go to a new shop, paste that history into an AI and ask it to review it. Ask if anything seems unusual. Ask if any upcoming maintenance is coming due. Ask if anything has been done too frequently or if something might indicate a recurring problem. One of our subscribers, a guy named James in Atlanta, did this for just 1 year. He reviewed his car history with an AI and it spotted that he had been getting spark plugs replaced every year. His car only needed them every 100,000 miles. He had been paying for unnecessary replacements for 3 years. That alone was $600 in unnecessary work. His car health journal caught it. The best part is that the longer you keep this journal, the smarter the AI advice becomes. It starts to see patterns in your specific car. It becomes your personal car doctor. So let me bring this all together. We covered 7 powerful ways AI is changing the game for everyday car owners like you. Number 1, decoding your check engine light before you see a mechanic. Number 2, translating the strange noises your car makes. Number 3, knowing your exact maintenance schedule so no one can upsell you. Number 4, getting a fair quote before you even walk through the door. Number 5, knowing which problems are urgent and which can wait. Number 6, using AI to protect yourself when buying a used car. And number 7, doing simple repairs yourself with AI as your guide. Plus the bonus: building your car health journal to save money year after year. Mechanics are not quitting because they stopped caring about cars. They are being replaced because AI is giving regular people the same knowledge they spent years learning. And that knowledge is yours now. If this video helped you, hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second and it helps this channel reach more people who are tired of overpaying for car repairs. Subscribe so you never miss a video. We post new car-saving tips every single week, and drop a comment below telling me this: what is the most you have ever paid for a car repair? I read every single comment. The cars are getting smarter. It is time you did too.